Advertising. Meaning. Advertising refers to the practice of promoting products, services, or events through various media channels such as TV, radio, or online platforms. Definition. Advertising is a noun that describes the act of creating and distributing messages to attract potential customers or inform the public about something. It involves strategic planning and communication to persuade people to take action. Examples in sentences. 1. The company invested heavily in advertising to reach a wider audience. Here, advertising refers to the marketing efforts made by the company to promote their products. 2. Advertising on social media has become more effective in recent years. In this sentence, advertising refers to the practice of promoting products or services through social media channels. Usage. Advertising is a crucial aspect of business and marketing strategies. It is used to influence public perception, generate sales, or raise awareness. Advertising is essential in competitive markets to stand out and connect with consumers.
English practice.